English for everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 30.
The road is closed, but it's business as usual in the store. Business as usual. Spending any more on that useless product would be throwing money down the drain. Throwing money down the drain. Sorry, I'll have to miss lunch. I'm swamped with invoices to file. To be swamped. Greg is really creative and often thinks outside the box. To think outside the box. There's so much red tape involved in importing food products. Red tape. You get a free car and the company gets good press. It's a win-win situation. A win-win situation. I hate being on the top floor when the elevator is out of order. To be out of order. They are very difficult clients because they're always moving the goalposts. To move the goalposts. Our sales were poor this year, and we're in the red. To be in the red. They have to work around the clock to redecorate the shop. To work around the clock. She's not a great team member. She doesn't really pull her weight. To pull your weight. If we're all here, Marcia, can you get the ball rolling? To get the ball rolling. I can't come home yet. I'm snowed under with work. To be snowed under. Sorry, he can't come to the phone. He's tied up with another client. To be tied up with. We've told you our final price. The ball is in your court now. The ball is in your court. I don't understand all these error messages. My laptop's going haywire. Going haywire. I hope I can wind down a bit over the weekend. To wind down. Take it easy. We've got another hour to finish decorating the conference hall. To take it easy. This report is due today. I can't put it off any longer. To put something off. I want to finish by 5 o'clock, so let's get down to business. To get down to business.
End of Lesson 30.